Did you know that with a commercial condo space like this, you can use it for any type of business you would like, including this, which is being used as an Airbnb. This home comes fully furnished, so you can start off your Airbnb business just like that. Or because it's fully furnished, fully stocked, you can move in with just your luggage and start thriving just like that. Now, any business would also thrive here, including the Airbnb, because of its such amazing location. We are just a couple blocks away from the Fremont Troll and everything Fremont has to offer. And then just a few blocks in the other direction to everything that Wallingford has to offer, including 45th Strip and the Stone Ave strip that I'm looking at right now, half a block away. I'm craving dumplings today, so we're gonna go venture over to Fremont and we're gonna try some of the best Russian, Turkish, and Taiwanese dumplings. But first, let me tell you a few more things about this condo. So again, fully furnished, fully stocked. We have polished concrete floors. The home was recently renovated, including the bathroom, kitchen, and just everything. The building also has 2 visitor parking spaces, which is crucial for how urban this space is. Our first stop is Dumpling Czar for pelmeni Russian dumplings. Next, we have 19 Gold for Taiwanese soup dumplings. And lastly, Cafe Turco for tortellini, stuffed mini dumplings. In Fremont, you can go on any type of food tour you'd like. Just last week for happy hour, I did an adult slushy tour. For more information on Fremont or the commercial condo, DM me or come visit me at my office only a few blocks away.